Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. If you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm looking rough right now. I hate the camera right now. I don't know why it's looking like this because I turned on the lights, so I don't know. Anyways guys, happy January 9th. It is January the 9th of 2022. I don't know why I'm gonna say it so. But anyways guys, I just want to start this vlog. I don't know what you call this kind of vlog. It is currently 5:20 p.m. I don't have anything in mind to do at all, but we'll see where the evening take us. Just want to get back into the vlogging game because yesterday I started off a vlog. Let's roll that clip. Good morning guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, you should go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified every time I make a video. Okay, all right guys, so don't mind the hair. It'll be combed and also probably washed today. I'm not sure, might not be washed before I go to the wedding. But anyways, yes. So yes guys, it is Saturday. It is the is it the 8th? Yes, it's the 8th of January. So happy January 8th guys. So this morning it's like currently about after 9. I'm just getting up. I was awake from about 5 and then I tried to sleep more because for the entire week I've been getting up at 5 and I'm like, I need to sleep a little longer. So it's like my body was just waking up at 5 because I was getting used to the 5 a.m. wake up time. So right now I'm going to head around the kitchen and see what's going on around there. I'm hungry, so I need to get something to eat. My sinus was acting up, so I took my tablets around after 7 so I can actually eat now because it's been an hour. So the plan for today, I have a wedding to go to and I'm going to be the photographer. This is my second photographer job and I'm nervous because I don't know if I'm the best at this. I don't know. I don't think I am right now. So I'm nervous, but we're gonna go and we're gonna have fun. We're gonna do what we're supposed to do. So yeah. So yes guys, the week of school, it wasn't bad. It's exam, so we didn't have any teaching per se. Next week I do have to teach online for the grade 11s because they're not getting any exams, and this week I didn't bother to teach them this week, but I'll be teaching them next week. Yeah, so that's what's been going on. See, my guys even wake up good yet. It's still asleep. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm wearing. This is rough. All right, so I'm gonna take you guys along on the day. We should be having also youth fellowship later. No, we're having a social later. So yes, you guys will be there as well to see what I eat and whatnot. Yeah. Yes guys, I didn't vlog at all for the entire week, so I don't have any vlog for the entire week, but I'm planning to vlog next week, like for school and stuff. So yes, I missed you guys so much. I missed vlogging. I just missed uploading, but I just had to give myself some rest time. So I'm just time to rejuvenate and to get back the creative juices, because the other day I was trying to actually sit down and plan some videos and it's like none was coming to me. So hopefully when I plan to put down the video ideas for the weekend, this weekend I want to do some planning this weekend. Hopefully the juices will flow so I can actually have some videos for you guys. So I'm gonna so we have that to do for today and for the weekend. So yes, I'll see you guys in the rest of today's video. So yes, as you can see, I started off the vlog yesterday, but nothing else. yes, I did went to the wedding. I took some pictures and it was awesome. Pretty good experience. Second time, you know, having a job like that, and I enjoyed it. And then we had social after, and I did not vlog any because I'm like, the wedding is not like it's my family's wedding or anything like that, so I'm not gonna vlog the people that I'm wedding. Never get permission for that, so I did not. And then the social, by the time I got back and like to do the social, I like totally forgot, so I'm like, didn't bother to like vlog or anything. So we're here this morning. We went to church this morning. We're back. I was watching YouTube, actually closed because I paused it. I paused it so that I can talk, but I was watching a vlog. Where did it go? I was watching Stove. Yeah, I was watching Stove along with some other persons, or the real OG. Who else was I watching? I was watching quite a lot of vlogs. I'm trying to finish off the playlist I've had from pretty much before December. I'm gonna try doing it. Plus, I was about to start playing Sims, so I'm gonna do that for the afternoon until I'm ready to go do something else. I think we have the plates to wash, then prepare for school tomorrow. So yeah, that's the Sunday, guys. Just a Sunday evening kind of vlog. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Trying to like come up with ideas. I think I'm at a roadblock when it comes on to video ideas that I want to do. Is like I'm having ideas but I don't want to do those. It's like I'm saying to my mind, do I really like these kind of videos? So I'm trying to figure out what I like, what I want to see, what I want to do, you know, where I want to see my channel. So that's where I am right now, planning videos and filming. So I decided to upload, or to try and upload, on Sundays, on Wednesdays, and on Fridays. So 3 days for the week. So far that's what I have. So far I have not done any at all. So hopefully starting this week, Wednesday, hopefully I can get some vlogs up, because today is Sunday and I did not upload a video. I was hoping to finish a video yesterday so I can put up today, but it never worked out. So, you know, scrap that and let's start fresh on Wednesday and see how that works. So yes, I have gone back fully to school in person. Full. Them say work from home done, even though no variants out. But they say life continues and we shall live and pray and hope that we're good. So yeah, so yes, this is the happenings for this afternoon. I'll see you guys when I do something else. So let's play some games and watch some YouTube. Alright guys, so it's currently 9:37 p.m. I was listening to a crusade with my dad while I played Sims. I think it just finished. So yes, right now I'm going to prepare for school tomorrow. So I'm gonna get things ready, pack my bag, get my clothes down, just prepare things, you know, and just get ready for bed. And then I'm not sure what we're gonna do, but I might sleep because I need to get up at 5 tomorrow, so I might sleep right now. I'm tired. Yeah, I'm gonna look for my big pants. My sister gave me these pants because she doesn't like to wear jackers, but this foot is somehow just not working. But yeah. Say hi to the vlog. Hi vlog. They're not seeing your face, but it's bright. Alright, so I just remade the bed because my dad was sleeping on it. So we're gonna take down the clothes. We're wearing white tomorrow. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We're wearing a lot of white this week though. Alright, so this is for tomorrow. Just gonna leave it on the hanger until tomorrow. I think this is a pantsuit or something to that sort. Yeah, so that's for tomorrow. I have my black shoes. I need to pack the bag. yeah.
I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing.
Alright guys, so I've taken out the shoes, the stocking. This is like a half a stocking, reach your knee part, this one. Yeah, so it's best to wear pants. So on this pants I'm wearing. Then I have my jewelry. It's shadowing the thing. Alright, so this is the jewelry. I'm wearing this silver necklace. It's a heart with the Lord's Prayer in a different language, pretty much. Yeah, I think it's in Spanish. My watch that doesn't work. And then these two bracelets. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing as jewelry. Bag is packed. Tomorrow I'm gonna pack the lunch pan and all of that. Yeah. What else? Right now I'm going to prepare for bed and then go to bed. I'm tired. And pull up my bed, but it don't make no sense. I kind of fix it because I'm going there to sleep, so makes no sense. So that's lunch plan, guys. Tomorrow I'll fix it. So yeah, I'm wondering, did I put? No, I did not. I need to find it. I probably need to find it tomorrow, but I don't think the fork is in this. Like, I think I used it and I didn't put it back, and I think I used it this morning. Yeah, I'm gonna need it tomorrow, so I probably need to find that tomorrow. So yes guys, right now I'm using the Sensodyne toothpaste because the dentist, when I went to the dentist last year, it was quite some time up in the air. They told me not to have, well, I already knew I had the chalk teeth, but they said something about excess fluoride, like me swallowing too much fluoride when I was smaller. So they recommended me to use a non-fluoride toothpaste, and this is the one I found. So I've been trying it out. My teeth are still sensitive, but I don't even know if they're getting any better yet. I guess sometime, because this is the first one I'm using, so I guess after a while I can tell you. Right now, not so much. Oh yes, and then the same time I picked up that, I picked up this toothbrush case, and it is so cute. Like, tell me you don't love this. So yeah, I love it. And guys, I'm back to using my Dove. I was using a soap. I'm gonna show you guys when I finish washing my face. I was using it because my mom bought it for, I think it's like a healing soap. I don't even know, but it's like after a while of using it, I'm like, if my face is sensitive, why am I using such a hard soap on my face? So I was like, you know what, let's just stop. So I stopped and I'm back to using my Dove. Like, my lighting in this bathroom is so terrible. Like, lighting everywhere in this house mostly is not good for night vlogging because the bulbs aren't that bright. There was a bright, the one in my room right now is kind of bright-ish, but it's not that bright. But you know. Alright, so it's one thing I like about the Dove is that when I'm done washing my face, it actually feels so smooth. So yeah, it feels smooth and it feels nice. And then when I moisturize it now, it feels even greater. So yes guys, not me waiting on myself. So yes, after I'm finished changing, I'm gonna go around and then I need to wrap my hair so that I can comb it for tomorrow. So we're gonna change into the nightgown or the pajamas. What am I saying?
wanted something from you. You been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing.
Alright guys, so I am ready. I'm wearing this black pants and this white blouse with my black shoes, and today I'm wearing silver jewelry. So hey guys, me say none and me watch them now work. Anyways, I'm gonna eat right now and then brush my teeth, wash my face, and leave.
I've been wanting something from you.
Alright guys, so I am off to school, so I'll see you guys in another vlog, another time, same place. So I'm walking to get taxi. My bag kind of heavy because I have the laptop in there. So anyways guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.